Millions of people in Britain are self-employed. Many work for high-profile companies like Uber, Deliveroo, Addison Lee and Hermes. And today's Supreme Court judgment may affect them. Gary Smith has fought Pimlico plumbers from an employment tribunal to the highest court in the land. His contract stated he was self-employed, but he argued the company owed him certain workers' rights, and he's won.
There's a standard that's been set that all the cases below will comply with. So for us it's very, very important. And it's important to give genuine workers the employment rights that they deserve.
I'm very disappointed. I think it's a disgraceful decision. The judges had a great opportunity to bring our employment, out-of-date employment law into the 21st century, and I'm afraid to say I think they bottled it.
The Supreme Court decided that Pimlico plumbers held the balance of power in the working relationship. The company set Gary Smith's pay, required him to wear a uniform and drive a branded van. This case may trigger others. There are 32 million people in work in Britain. The majority are employed directly by companies, but just under 5 million work for themselves. Legally, there are two categories of self-employment: those people who are self-employed in the true sense, and those who are legally considered workers and therefore entitled to paid holiday and the national minimum wage. And it is these people that some companies are accused of exploiting. Uber, Deliveroo, Hermes, Addison Lee, all of them are having the employment status of their workers challenged in the courts. Technology is changing the world of work. A year ago, the Taylor Review, commissioned by the government, warned the law needed clarifying and updating. Matthew Taylor believes this case will prove significant.
If the government goes ahead with changes to the taxing of freelance, and if court cases continue to go in the way that the Pimlico plumbers case has gone, we'll probably see a pretty substantial, maybe hundreds of thousands of people who are currently being classified as freelancers and contractors will not be classified in that way in the medium term, but it won't happen overnight.
Gary Smith has spent 7 years fighting in the courts. His victory may make it easier for others to do the same.